guys, welcome to my video. Today I will be sharing my favorite eyeshadow palettes with you. Well, it's not really palettes, it's individual shadows that I've created into my own palettes because, well, actually, let me just show them to you first. They're the Inglot eyeshadow palettes. These eyeshadows are my favorites from all the eyeshadows I've tried, and trust me, I've tried a lot. I do have a lot. Not a lot when it comes to like really high-end brands, but I've had my fair tests on high-end eyeshadow products. But when it comes to the price, the pan sizes, and the quality, these are definitely my favorites. The colors that I used these two palettes that I've created to create the eyeshadow look that I've done today. I'll show you a close-up. This palette contains all my warm toned favorites. How this brand works when it comes to eyeshadows are each eyeshadow costs £5, and then they have separate palettes which you can buy. So they have single palettes, and then they have doubles like this, and then fours. So this was the first palette that I created at Inglot. It's like when you first go into the Inglot store, they have this magnetic like holder kind of thing where you can like choose these separate colors from the display, and then when you're ready to buy the colors you want, you just give it to a staff member there, and they will give you the new single eyeshadows out. So these pans, as you can see, are quite big. Like let me compare it to another eyeshadow if there's one close to me. Okay, so let's just compare it to a blusher. This is the Max Factor blusher, and next to it you can see the eyeshadow pan is really big. It's quite big, and it will last you really long. Like, well, I guess people could say that, okay, if one pan is £5 and 10 together would be 50, and then the actual palette, the magnetic palette, would be about, I think they're about £7.50, I'm not 100% sure. Altogether it will come to about, say, £60 or less, right? Because I don't know 100% how much the palette is. So roughly, let's say this whole palette, you can choose your own colors, and then you can get a full palette like this for £60, right? It would sound like, oh, that's so much money, but that depends on you. It's like you could create a palette with 4 single shadows in there, and basically choose the colors that you want, or even a double and then stick to that. It's just, if you love makeup and if you love creating different eyeshadow looks and stuff, I think they're really worth it. They're an investment, even though they're a lot when you look at it as if you're buying a lot of shadows. They're still an investment, because I've had this for about 2 years now and none of them still have dents, and these colors mainly I use all the time. So they're an investment in my opinion, and they're so pigmented. Like you probably see when I'm doing my first eyeshadow, I only tapped my brush into the shadow once and there was so much pigmentation in it. The matte shadows are more pigmented than the shimmers. The shimmers are really good as well. I just basically love them. I love them a lot. So yeah, I love the fact that you can create your own palette right there. I know you can do that with a lot of brands, but when it comes to like the price and everything together, I really love it. Like, for example, with MAC you can do the same thing, but one of their shadows are about £10, and the pan's a lot smaller. Not a lot, it's smaller than the Inglot ones. MAC shadows are amazing as well, but if you're in a budget, you want to create a wonderful palette, for less, this is definitely a brand you should look into. I think Inglot is really underrated and a lot of people do not know about it. So I think people should give it a go, even if it's just buying a single shadow without getting a palette for it, because you can put on your own palette that you already have at home. You should really give it a go. So that will be it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed watching that shadow look I created, and thank you for watching. Hope you liked the video. If you did, give me a like below and subscribe if you think my videos are something you'd like to watch in the future too. Also, comment down below if you've tried Inglot shadows and if you love it as much as I do as well.